Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Ethereum in MetaMask using Debit Card, updated. Open MetaMask, sign in, and ensure your network is set to Ethereum mainnet right away. Tap Buy, choose Debit Card as payment, and enter the dollar amount you want to spend. Complete any identity checks, confirm the fee and price, then approve the purchase. Wait for the transaction to confirm, and you'll see ETH in your wallet. Start by tapping the Buy button inside MetaMask and select a provider that accepts debit cards. Enter the exact dollar amount you want to spend and check the estimated ETH you will receive. Follow the provider prompts for card details, billing address, and any 3D secure verification on your phone. Carefully review the total charge, including fees, then confirm the purchase and wait for the transaction to settle in your wallet. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more crypto guides. Quick recommendation: I spotted comfy socks on my desk. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for long blockchain research sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a pair. Now let's get back to the video. Keep your funds safe by using only the payment provider's MetaMask lists and by double-checking the recipient addresses. Turn on MetaMask lock and consider a hardware wallet for larger balances to reduce exposure. Use strong passwords, enable biometric unlock if available, and never type or share your seed phrase or complete card number with anyone. If you see unusual requests or unexpected fees, pause and verify before approving any transaction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.